yung lights, yung kay Jinjin na lights, ito, yung parang lights, bubuhayin ko yung lights, colorful, ang ganda, tapos papatayin natin, and then, papatayin natin all the ilaws, and then, magbibili pa tayo ng rainbow lights, and then, ilalagay natin all around, tapos ipapatay natin yung lights, tapos yung door, tapos yung couch, gagawin natin coffee. Una, bibili tayong curtains na comfy, and then, ilagay natin sa ating couch, and then, yan na natin, i-tape. Tapos, pang-upo, ang sarap. And then, yung door, kailan natin ng, I have idea. Una, bibili tayong sticker doors. At i-design yun. And then, ilalagay natin sa door. Tapos, lalagay tayong all around lips in there. And flowers, and the walls can be some, we're going to, in the walls, this one, in here, we're going to buy everything carpet all around. And then, we're going to put all the carpet, rainbow, yung man. And then, we're going to put them red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, indigo, and all the colors. And now, we're going to put all around here. How about our doors? Oh, I have an idea for that too. Jinjin's room can be, we're going to write, Jinjin's room can be a play section. Tapos, tatanggalin natin lahat. Tapos yung table, malamang, dyan, yung table. Tapos, tayo, doon, chair.